Hi everybody. So you're looking at this video if you chose to do the visual arts activity for the International Day project. Again, this is the choice board where you will find websites that you could use to get information, gather information. So you would click on the topic, visual arts, open up the activity sheet by clicking on this, making a copy of it, and this is what you would see. Visual art style activity sheet. The many countries of the world have many types of art. Visual arts include painting, drawing, sculpture, ceramic, anime, manga, crafts, graffiti, watercolor paintings, and other art forms. Some countries have art styles that are a part of that country's culture and are important to its people. Research a visual art style. If you chose this topic, you will find information on visual art style from your country on the internet, on videos, or from people you know about it, who know about it. You must have at least 3 sources of information. First, gather the information from your research on this activity page. Then prepare your Google slide presentation using the information you have found. Each section can be placed in one Google slide page, and it is labeled for you. Question 1. What is one famous visual art style from your country? That could be put on Google slide number 1. Google slide 2. What are the characteristics of this art style? Write a description or colors, shapes, moods, themes that this style includes. Google slide 3. What materials are used to make this type of art? 4. When and in what part of the country or world did this style originally become popular? 5. Explain the purpose for this type of art. Is it a religious purpose, entertainment, political, etc.? Slide 6. Who are 5 famous artists from your country that create art in this style? Now from slide 7 to 11, you may copy and paste or draw at least 5 famous examples of this type of art in your slides. Include a title of the artwork and a brief description. For example, the Mona Lisa, which was painted by Leonardo da Vinci. He used oil paint to paint this portrait of Mona Lisa for her husband, Francesco del Giocondo, in the early 1500s. So this would be an example of one type of artwork and description. All right, so remember, you must have at least 5 examples in your Google slide. Also, there is a bonus. You can make your own unique artwork in this style and also post it in the Google slide. Remember, the bonus is optional. Now, in order for your project to be creative and visual, you need to add pictures, you need to be creative with the Google slides and show that you put effort into this presentation. If you're working with a partner or partners, remember to break up the work accordingly so that everybody inputs something in this project. If you have any questions, Feel free to reach out to me via Google Classroom, private message me, or you can send me an email via Pupil Path. Good luck!